Welcome back. Do you have to hate your body? This isn't just for new moms. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. I want to go over a little tweet and discussion that we are having online. So, actually, from my Instagram page, what if we just appreciated our body for carrying us through life? Why follow the social movement to hate our bodies when we can literally just chill and enjoy things? And I think that's worth talking about. One of my friends online, she responded. I also posted this on Facebook. I am definitely trying to remember daily all of the amazing things my body can do slash has done versus despair over the extra I'm still carrying in my med section after having three babies. It's hard though. Click like if that's something you can relate to. A lot of people struggle with that. You're not the only one going through it. And that can be uncomfortable, an uncomfortable phase of your life. And then you might wonder if you're going to be like that forever and try to cope with that. It's a whole lot of things going on there. What I want to say is society and weight loss culture will have you feeling like you're not good enough. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself, your self-esteem, your mental health first. Then you can consider other factors, including protecting your physical health too. So here's a question to consider. Are you using the physical appearance of your body to mean something that it doesn't naturally? Take a moment to reflect on that. This is a very simple thing to do. It's an easy connection to make. Couple of distinctions I like to point out for people. One, you are not your body. You are in your body. You control your body. Your body is like, part of your identity, but it's not who you actually are. So that's something big to think about here. And then what your body looks like or what it does or what it accomplished does not reflect all the things that you are and who you can be. One of my other friends from way back in middle school, she responded to this. I am not my meat suit, and the appearance of my meat suit does not determine my value. But taking care of my meat suit allows me, the real me, the soul inside of me, to do the things that bring me joy and fulfillment. We are too prone to telling ourselves the lie that being in a smaller pant size or seeing a lower number on the scale will make us love ourselves more, but it's so much simpler to treat our bodies right when we're living our life in a way that shows we already love ourselves. And that is brilliant. That's for my friend Lydia. Shout out to her. Um, just think about some of what she said there. Recap that if you want. And what I want to do is help people understand the value of understanding their self worth, basically, and how it's not related to your body, especially working in this weight loss space where it always seems to be linked to like celebrity weight loss stories, body fat, um, just all kinds of things that are beyond what is actually important. I want you to focus on what matters. And that's what I'm saying here. But imagine being able to focus on what matters to you, having energy, feeling great and confident. You are letting your health support your life in a deeper way. Spending time with your kids if you had your newborns around, or spending time with your family or your friends, or feeling energized at work, or your hobbies, going to the beach, or anything that you want to do and have fun and have energy while you do it. That's what really matters. That's what your health journey is really about, and being able to enjoy that without feeling sick or lethargic or having other issues, and not feeling bad about yourself because of how your body looks or how it's performing currently if you want to change it. So that's why I always ask on my channel, what does a healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams look like? Because I want people to think big picture about their health journey and how their health fits into that. And then you can ask, once you have that clearer picture, how do your daily health choices reflect that? When you are doing things daily that affect your health, you are eating food every day. Does that help you lead the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams? Or is it holding you back? Or is it something that's slowing you down? Or something that you have a question about and need more support? Or your physical activity. You're always doing something with your body, even if you're sitting at your desk all day or scrolling through your phone on the couch. That is a type of physical activity that might not be supporting your health goals or how much energy you have or your posture or your back pain. However, things like walking more often, biking, getting active, going to the gym, moving your body more are things that usually support your health journey and your energy and confidence and your fitness level too. So just some things to keep in mind. What does a healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams look like? And then how do your daily health choices reflect that? Look like that's something you relate to. I say that on this channel a lot, but I really want you to be able to consider it. And then, so when you're trying to remember daily all of the amazing things that your body can do, slash has done, that's how you remember. When you're doing these things, you're celebrating what your body can accomplish and what it is doing and what it has done just by enjoying your body and what it is and what it looks like. Okay. Rather, that's how you keep it in mind. It's not just like, trying to remember and go back to a time or like remind yourself. It's just that you are keeping it in mind, that you are taking care of your body and all the amazing things it can do on a daily basis. Don't forget who you are. Like, you're a star. You are, especially like my friends. I know you guys. You guys are awesome. So, but I feel this. Everyone has this potential that they can reach, and a big part of it is believing in yourself, having your confidence, having your energy right, having goals, being able to identify what the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams looks like can help you fulfill that and build that instead of just kind of going through life being reflexive, responding to all the signals around you, right? Just getting feedback. Choose what you want. Be an active agent in your life so you can take confident ownership of your path to freedom and fitness. So that's what I love to teach here. And I believe when more people understand their value and lead the healthy, fulfilling life of their dreams, we can build better communities. So that starts with you, your self efficacy, self understanding, your full empowerment. That is awesome for you. And then you can go beyond that into people around you. They see, like, wow, you have great energy. You are like a go getter. You set goals, you reach them, you look confident, you have like all that good stuff, and then you're leading your life and they're like, man, I want to live more like that, or I want to have that kind of success for myself. And then you can help them if you want, or they can just be inspired by you. You never know who's watching you. The kids are watching, they want to like be you. We got people who look up to you at home and in the workplace, right? So when you start to do what you're meant to do, the life you're meant to lead, then other people will feel that too. And that's a movement. That's why the vision is so valuable to me. That's why I make these YouTube videos at 11:39 on a Tuesday night. So more people can understand this, because that's how we build better communities and that expand our impact, and everybody's living awesome lives, a healthy, fulfilling life of everyone's dreams. So if you want help understanding your health in the context of that, and how I have that vision for you and how I have created this company and brand and channel around that, I have a coaching process. It's called the Guilt-Free Game Plan. It's the most compassionate way to build self-control so you lose weight without all or nothing diets. And it's really focused on self-efficacy and empowerment and building the life that you want. So you can book a call below on YouTube or message me on Instagram. I'm at Fit for Freelance. Let me know what you think in the comments. Click like, subscribe if you're into this kind of content. When you're thinking about the big picture of your health journey, focusing on what matters for you and leading the life that you want, the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams. I get so excited thinking about that. Think about that for yourself. Let's keep going. And then next, if you want to spend more time, you can watch Stop Hating Your Body. If you want to change it, I'll put that here, I think. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.